what's up? I'm back with another video. This is gonna be an unboxing of my new ring light. I got it from Amazon for like $150, and it's cheap. So let's get into this. So it came with a case, a light case thing to hold your ring light in, duh. And that box over there has an actual ring light inside, I believe. Nope, the ring light is inside of that bag, and in that box was the tripod and like the instructions. So that's what I'm pulling out of the bag. Yeah, I said let me get a little fancy because I had a LED light. Well, I have a lamp and I put a LED bulb in it, and that's why my other videos are so bright. But like this ring light like really got me like shining, like I'm really popping. So yeah, I was going through this bag and pulling out everything. So yeah, you get the ring light. In the box was a tripod, and it comes with a cord. So make sure you buy an outlet plug, or if you have an extension cord, I don't know why I say extension cord, you can plug it up like that if you want it to go further out. So that's the tripod in that box, in the box that I'm touching in the video. And then the box next to me, the like rectangular box, is where the it's like a Bluetooth remote, like the warm and cool, I think like the light things you can put on there. And I think some more instructions. Yeah, the instructions, the cord, the like tripod thing where you can put your phone in. All of that was in there. And to say I got all this for like $150 was not bad. And like my videos finna like really be looking good. Like they finna look even better. So that's me just setting it up so I can show y'all everything like laid out. If it come on and if I can get to it. Like today, Cierra. Come on, girl. I should have fast forwarded through this. Okay, so I laid everything out for y'all, and I slowed the video down a little bit so y'all can really see what it is. So it comes with the carrying case, the actual ring light, instructions. That little red thing is the Bluetooth piece. I hadn't used that yet. The mounting thing, so you can mount your phone, and like a screw thing to tighten it up. The cord, like I was telling y'all, the warm light filters, and the regular, like the clear light, I guess, the white light, the tripod stand, and then that single piece right there is like, I guess, to have it so it can be flexible. So like you can kind of see down at the bottom right. Okay, that went by a little too fast. But like it's that cord, the straight pole thing, you can like put it on there and it'll lean to a side. So that's cool. All right, so this is me setting everything up. Okay, so I speed up this process because it would have took me forever to show y'all how I set it up. So I started off, and I thought I had my camera angled correctly, but I said, you know what? Like, y'all get the gist of it. So all I did was readjust the clips and everything. I'll probably do a detailed video. But for the meantime, this is just me unboxing and setting it up. So, yeah, it was an easy process. Pretty much like it was like a 1-2, 1-2. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't too hard. You ain't have to read the direction. You ain't have to go to Google to see how to set it up. Like the instructions they put inside the box were straight to the point. You know how sometimes you'll buy stuff from Amazon and they be having stuff just so complicated. And you be like, girl, that's all I had to do. So this is me. I finally set it up. You see that piece like sticking out inside the ring light? That's like my phone holder. Y'all, I had on my sleeping clothes still, so don't pay my booty no mind. I know it's sitting there like a little peach or something, like a little watermelon. But don't pay my booty no mind. Anyway, yeah, I was plugging it up so I could test it out. And I'm going to insert a clip, and my hair was still tied up and everything. Y'all, it was early in the morning. They dropped off their package at like 8 o'clock. I said, what? I was expecting it to come Sunday, but it came on Saturday. So, you know, I was lit. So, yeah, that's me. Girl, look at that booty. So, yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure y'all are near a outlet plug so y'all can plug it in with ease, or if you have a extension cord, just attach that to that and then plug it in like that. So this is me. Why do I keep saying this is me? Y'all see this is me. So I was messing with that Bluetooth remote, but most of the time those Bluetooth remotes don't even work. Like they'll work for a few minutes the first day you get it, and then after that it's just like it's broke. So I was trying to figure that out, and then I was looking for the instructions on how to turn it on because I didn't see it nowhere on the paper. But then I realized it was a knob like under. You'll see me grab it in a few seconds. Right there. Yeah, there's a knob under there. So you just like click. You just turn it to click it on and turn it back to turn it back off. And then like you can see how it got bright. Like it got real bright. So you can do it that way. And this is me. Like I think I had the light fully on, and I was turned up. So a video on this look is coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But this is me with the ring light. I think it was fully on. So make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.